Hey everyone, welcome back to Piston Cup 95. Today, I will be showing you most of the race car's top speed. Before we get into the video, please give me a like and subscribe, it's free and it helps me, thank you, but anyway, here's the video. First is Selfish Chick Hicks. Chick Hicks is a selfish racer, but he is a really good racer, and with one piston cup to his name and shock he made someone crash, but Chick Hicks got 200 miles per hour as his top speed. Next is the quick rookie Jackson Storm. Enemy of Lightning McQueen. Jackson is quick and fast, and with 3 piston cups in 2016, 2019, and 2025, Jackson Storm's top speed is 214 miles per hour quicker than Chick Hicks. Next is the King. The King Strip Weathers got 200 miles per hour as his top speed, and with 7 piston cups to his name he made Dinoco proud. But in 2005 he had a big crash that made him retired, and Dinoco got Cal Weathers has a replacement for him. And finally, one of the best race cars in the world, it's Lightning McQueen. McQueen has 7 piston cups to his. And he is the main character in the Cars movies, but McQueen could have gotten 8 if he didn't help the King Strip Weathers. Anyway, Lightning McQueen top speed is 220 miles per hour quicker than everyone. He hit 200 miles per hour in Cars 2 in the Italian race. Next up we have the F1 car Francesco Bernoulli. Francesco is a very fast Italian car. He was shown in Cars 2 winning the Tokyo race in Japan. He was good looking because of his open wheels. But anyways, Francesco Bernoulli top speed in Cars 2 is 220 miles per hour, tied with Lightning McQueen. Next up is one of 3 woman piston cup race car Cruz Ramirez. Cruz's mentor Lightning McQueen was one of the best race cars in the world, so she followed his steps. Cruz was a trainer for Lightning McQueen, and then McQueen wanted her to race instead of him, so Cruz now has 3 piston cups. But Cruz Ramirez's top speed is 210 miles per hour, 10 miles per hour behind her mentor Lightning McQueen. Next it's the King's nephew Cal Weathers. Cal is one of Lightning McQueen's best friends in racing. Cal has 1 piston cup to his name in 2013. Cal retired round about 2016 time. But anyways, Cal Weathers to speed is 200 miles per hour. Next up is the one and only Doc Hudson. Doc won 3 piston cups in 1951, 52 and 53, and then the legend had a big crash in 1954 and they made him retire. But Doc came back and was Lightning McQueen mentor until he passed away. But Doc's top speed 121 miles per hour back then, that was really good. Next is Lewis Hamilton. You might have heard the name, but it's not the F1 driver, it's the Cars 2 one. He is not in the movie for long, but he did get an impressive top speed. Anyway, his top speed in Cars 2 is 190 miles per hour. Then it's Carla Veloso. Carla is a race car from Brazil. She got 3rd in the Tokyo race in Japan and then got hit by the beam in Italy. Carla Veloso's top speed is 206 miles per hour. Next racer is Shu Todoroki. Shu is a racer in Japan and he was also just in Cars 2. Shu Todoroki's top speed is 203 miles per hour. Jeff Gorvette. Jeff Gorvette is one of Lightning McQueen's best friends in racing. He was mostly in Cars 2, but he was in Cars 3 for 10 seconds. Anyway, Jeff Gorvette top speed is 200 miles per hour. Next is Rip Kluchkaneski. Yep, a long name. She is a racer from Republic of New Rwandia, a very UN-known country. But anyways, her top speed is 199 miles per hour. Bobby Swift. Bobby is one of Lightning McQueen's best friends. He is quick and fast. He was on in Cars 3. He was in the trio of McQueen and Cal Weathers. But anyway, Bobby Swift's top speed is 200 miles per hour, same as most of the fast racers. Right guys, I think it's time to end this video, but if you enjoyed this then you should go and see my other cars videos and like and subscribe so you don't miss anything cars related, and shout out to the Happy Egg and what he said. I am trying to get to 95 subscribers by the end of this year, so subscribe, it's free. And anyway, this is Piston Cup 95 signing out, bye.